Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to another stories and we're gonna do a shop with me video. That's the first video for me and I hope it works. So let's start with another stories, and I'm in Helsinki, so let's go and find the best pieces. Beautiful campus center, so as you can see. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Same as this. I would not go for the back because it feels a little bit I just couldn't pass by these. Look. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm in another source. The music plays so loud, so I don't know if you can hear me, and I found you some really cute pieces, so let's try them on. Oh yeah, I found you something super cool and super flattering. Just look at this. Oh. The satin pants, first of all, super comfortable. You can eat as much as you want. Super flattering because of the shape. And I mean, yeah, we're also gonna put something on top. It's not gonna be my top. Even with this top, you can definitely just go like that. But I wanna do it a little bit more Christmassy, so we're gonna go for this red, beautiful jump. I love red, you know that. So cute, and it's quite Christmassy, but you know, it's also super casual. Absolutely love the shape of these sleeves, and actually the sweater is like that, which is it nicely folds like this. Beautiful on your waist. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna be really difficult for me not to buy anything here. But also, if you don't wanna wear a sweater, I found this beautiful shirt. I'm gonna try it on now, also with this pants. I think it's gonna work. Here we go. I just find this shirt to be really interesting, and now let's style it a little bit. It is asymmetric here on the side. The bow, beautiful. And look, with this satin trousers, looks good. And of course, you can also wear it not only for Christmas. I would say it's quite a casual look, or like, let's say, office look. You can also go in this in the office. So it's really low key, but because you have this beautiful bow, I think it's a little bit on the dressy side. Okay, but I also have actually this top. Let's try this also with this pants, and then we're gonna switch to this. Yeah, that doesn't work. The idea is beautiful. Asymmetric top with this detail, but oh, what is that? Yeah, I don't know who can wear it like that, and actually it's not flattering. Definitely no. Let's try something else. I have a beautiful dress. I mean, it's not think much on front, but the back is gorgeous. But you will have to wear it without a bra, or make sure that your bra is not visible like mine right now, but otherwise really nice, really classic, and not only for Christmas. And for my girls who like the sparkle and the skirt, oh, this is so perfect. It's a really beautiful sequence. It's big, but it's like a mermaid. And I paired with the sweater, so you know, you don't need to go all out with sparkles, and you can also start it for usual day. It's not only for Christmas. Absolutely love it. But for those who doesn't like a sparkle, I actually have this other beautiful skirt. I'm gonna kind of expect a little bit more from it. Beautiful, really interesting skirt. It has several layers. I have this beautiful fish net with a very delicate flowers. So for those who doesn't like sequins, or you don't want to go for mini, that one is beautiful. Yes, I paired also with the sweater, but to be honest, it looked a little bit better on a hanger. I mean, yeah, I don't have shoes, and this socks absolutely doesn't work here, but I didn't took any shoes to try on here. So I'm done with another source. I have to say I'm low-key surprised with the prices. It's like everything is 100 euros. So okay, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which one was your favorite, and yeah, see you in my next video.